Welcome back, everybody. I am so excited to show you what I've just learned. It's nothing new, machine embroidery on window screen, but it's new to me, and I just thought I'd bring you along as I stitch out my rooster today. So this rooster stitches out in a 5x7 hoop or larger. So I'm just going to walk you through the steps that I took to do this embroidery on window screen. Here I have 2 layers of water-soluble stabilizer, and I'm just going to hoop that nice and tight right in my frame. The nature of this rooster design pulls the stabilizer inside the hoop a little bit. So I'm making sure that the stabilizer is nice and tight in my hoop, and then I'm going to take lots of T-pins and I'm going to pin the outside of this stabilizer so that it doesn't draw in as this design is stitching out. You can see I'm going crazy with the pins, and then I'll run out of T-pins and I'm just going to use some ordinary pins all the way around this hoop. I always have trouble with 1 or 2 pins. And my stabilizer is a little bit short on this end, but that's okay. So now I have some window screen, and I got this from my local hardware store. It is just black standard window screen. And this is what I'm going to be embroidering on today. Look how long this roll is. I think that this is going to last me a good long time. Do you think? So I cut off a piece, and it's much larger than my hoop because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this when I'm done. But make sure that when you're doing this, that you have bobbins for the same thread you're using on the top of your embroidery design, because you're going to be able to see the back side, right? So I'm going to take some 505 spray and spray my stabilizer in my hoop. I think this sort of helps. It's just another layer of protection to make sure that that screen stays nice and in place as everything is stitching out. And I'm just going to lay this nice and flat and press it out. For this embroidery, I'm using a 7511 needle. It's not any special needle. It's just a 7511 Oregon needle. And I'll be using Brother Red thread throughout this entire design. Now I've decided to help keep that screen in place, I'm going to add 4 more pins to pin that screen in place, but they are right along the edge of the hoop. And I've already tested out the hoop to make sure that my needle is not going anywhere close to these pins. It's always a good idea. You certainly don't want to stitch over a pin and break up a needle. That would be so scary. So I put my hoop in and made sure that my embroidery design's not going to go anywhere close to this. And we're all good. I'm going to bring this over to this sewing machine. I'm going to load my first color. And this particular design does a basting box, which is just another layer of security to make sure that that screen stays nice and in place in that hoop. The cool thing about the project sheet is it walks you through. I know the next thing that stitches out is the yellow sun. So my basting thread is the same color that I need next for the sun. Now we're just going to sit back, and I just thought it would be fun just to bring you through different segments of this rooster as it stitches out. And yes, this rooster is so pretty. It looks like stained glass. So we're just going to sit back and watch it stitch out, and then when it's all done, we'll come back and I'll walk you through the next steps that I do.
In the early morning light, he crows with pride watching over his hand, standing right by their side, with sun breaking through into all the ground. That rooster stands tall, his heart in no bounds. He guards them closely, never lets them stray. Rooster of the dawn, keep safe tonight. Under moonlit skies, he'll watch till morning light. A protector so brave, in the stillness he stands. Over all his girls, he's a faithful man. Through the fields they wander, he follows near. In a world full of danger, he's a voice they hear. With feathers on their back, gazing in line, this bond they share, love so divine. Rooster of the dawn, keep safe tonight. Under moonlit skies, he'll watch till morning light. A protector so brave, in the stillness he'll stand. Over all his girls, he's a faithful man. With a heart full of song, he'll always be there. This rooster of the dawn, showing love and care. In the early morning light, he crows with pride, watching over his hand, standing right by their side, with sun breaking through into all the ground. That rooster stands tall, his heart in no bounds. He guards them closely, never lets them stray. Rooster of the dawn, keep safe tonight. Under moonlit skies, he'll watch till morning light. A protector so brave, in the stillness he stands. Over all his girls, he's a faithful man. Through the fields they wander, he follows near. In a world full of danger, he's a voice they hear. With feathers on their back, gazing in line, this bond they share, love so divine. Rooster of the dawn, keep safe tonight. Under moonlit skies, he'll watch till morning light. A protector so brave, in the
It is so much fun to watch this stitch out, even though it's a little bit of a longer stitch out. I had my machine slowed down to 600 stitches per minute, so it took about 84 minutes plus the time it took to switch out the threads, right? So it definitely takes a hot minute, but wow, she is so worth it. Look at that. And I love this thread because it really catches the light. Isn't that so pretty from the back too? So now I've just removed all the pins, and I can remove this from the embroidery hoop. I think it did a really good job not pulling in. And that's what I wanted. No little gaps around the black lines. It all stitched out perfectly. And now I'm going to just fold back the 2 layers of wash away and cut away the bulk of all of this extra. Being careful really not to cut any of those stitches. And all we have left to do at this point is to take this and rinse away that wash away stabilizer. I'm going to just run it underneath the sink and with some lukewarm water. And there it is. Now this is after it's all dry. So this is the next day. I let it dry and lay flat to dry. Look how pretty it is from both sides. Isn't that just stunning? Still catches the light, but you can see through the screen. And that's really what I wanted to experiment with using the screen. I have a couple little threads where it started that last satin stitch. I really wanted to see how transparent this would be. And is it like stained glass? I absolutely love that. Now I have some 8-inch embroidery hoops that I think I'm going to place this one in and just set this in my kitchen window. So I painted my embroidery hoop with some Derwent Inktense paint. It's ink and it just soaks in like a stain. And I'm going to just hoop this in this embroidery hoop. And I like that the screen just sort of disappears. Do you know what I'm saying? It kind of looks like a little circle window, right? I'm going to just tighten up this hoop and pull tight the screen in the hoop the best I can. And my fingers need a little bit of help, so I'm going to go get a tool here in a second just to help me tighten this up. But just pulling that screen nice and tight. And I think I'm just going to cut away this extra screen close to the hoop. What would you do in this situation? I don't want to see any extra screen because it's transparent, right? So I think I'm just going to cut it away real close to that wooden hoop right there with a pair of scissors. Except for this part, which I always struggle with, having a little like extra fold there. So I'm going to leave a little extra tab there and use some double-sided tape and just pull that nice and tight right in that gap section where the tightener is for the hoop. But don't you just love this? Now this rooster stitches out on fabric, organza, and I've done it on organza and fabric so far, but I really have been wanting to try using some window screen. I love it for my first time. I think it's fabulous. I am so excited about this, and I'm going to put it in my kitchen window just to honor our first rooster here at our homestead, even though he has different colored feathers than this. Here's my Rudy, and I absolutely love him. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope this inspires you to pull out some window screen and to try embroidering on it. It's so much fun, and this is just my first project. I can't wait to see what's up next. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see y'all really soon.